Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime that requires no refrigerator, no glue, and takes less than 5 minutes to make. So yeah. Also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is please leave a like and subscribe to KawaiiToyFun in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. Recently, I've been very obsessed with making no glue slimes that require no refrigerator, because the number one comment I see on all of my videos is, oh my gosh, why does it need a refrigerator? Why does it need to be put in there that long? Like, why does it have to take this long? Recently, I've been trying to figure out brand new recipes that take less than 5 minutes to make, require no glue, no refrigerator, and is so easy to make. So that is what today's recipe is today. This is a no glue clear slime that is so easy to make, just like I'm going to keep saying over and over again in this video. It's one of my favorite recipes at the moment and literally requires just like one ingredient. Alright, so the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of hand soap. I'm using the soft soap brand, which is one of my favorites to make no glue slime with. You guys then will need a bowl or plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least, but optional, is food coloring. Alright, like I said, this recipe is going to look very familiar, but it is different in ways where it requires no refrigerator. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to get out my bowl or plate, and I'm going to be adding my soap into the bowl. The more soap you add is how much slime you will get. It looks like enough. And now what I'm going to get doing is I'm going to get mixing this up. So as you can see, this is already super, super thick. It's already going to make a really decent slime, but you're just going to want to mix it up a lot. Mix it for about a minute or so. There, that's enough mixing. And now what you're going to do, this is the optional part, add in your food coloring. Gosh, this food coloring is so messy. Like, what the heck? Like I was saying, you're going to add whatever food coloring you want into there. I'm just doing a little bit of this blue. And I literally don't want to even add a full... Uh-oh. That might be too much. Actually is definitely way too much. Alright, let's hope that this isn't way too much. And it is way too much, but that's okay. I tried to get some of it out, but that's alright. So add in food coloring, don't add in too much like what I did. So I've been making slime for years now, and I still always add too much food coloring. But look how pretty that blue is. I am kind of obsessed with this. This recipe, all you literally have to do is mix it up so much. You want to mix it super, super fast and get it super, super bubbly, just like this. Add more soap as needed. I'm just gonna add a little bit more soap because I feel like the color is a little too crazy. Again, add more soap as needed. As you can tell, I added way more soap, but it is actually mixing up so well together. Like, look at this texture. Like, what? Now you want to go in with your hand, so you're just gonna get kneading it up kind of like this. I'm literally using the surface of my table just to knead this up, because this is quite a messy recipe, but you're gonna want to knead it and knead it and knead it. Kind of like this. Sorry, let this camera angle is crazy. Alright, after kneading it for about 2 minutes, here is the slime. Again, like I said, this is a pretty messy recipe. This is how you make one ingredient no glue slime. I used a lot of soap in this. Took a lot of kneading, but look at this. No refrigerator required. It made some awesome no glue slime. And the texture is actually very, very bubbly, as you can tell. Like, look how bubbly this is. And the color is gorgeous. I love it so much. Yeah, I'm so happy about this recipe. I really hope you guys try it out. Please put in the comments down below if you like this recipe, what other no glue slime recipes you'd like to see from me. I can do some brand new no glue refrigerator slimes as well, because I know you guys have been loving these recipes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I really hope you liked it. And remember to please leave a like and subscribe to KawaiiToyFun in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Bye! Thank you.